Hey guys, so I've been reading on some of my Facebook pages that people are saying their reps or someone are telling them that they can't remove a ceramic coating. Well, I'm going to show you how. Most ceramic coatings are like a 1K product that you apply on in like a crosshatch pattern with like a microfiber towel and like a sponge of the sorts. And then what you do is you let it air dry for a few minutes and then wipe off the excess material with a microfiber towel. So I'm going to prep my hood and I'm going to show you guys different ways that you can remove it and make sure that you prep the panel effectively so you don't leave any on there. Because usually what will happen is you paint over it, it might make your paint or your clear coat, it'll haze it, it'll dye it back, it'll really affect it. So I'm going to show you guys different ways that you can remove it and show you that it can be removed. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so you can kind of see here that there is a slight line from my ceramic coating that I did put on this panel. And I'm going to show you guys a process with just buffing it off with a heavy compound and a wool pad on a very short throw polishing or orbital polisher. So let's give it a shot. Alright guys, you can see that I do not have a little line. Until you get just up here, you'll start seeing it showing. But everywhere else, it is gone basically where I buffed it. And that took, what, a few seconds? So that was just one. Yeah, you can kind of see my buffing mark all the way up there. And yep, there is no line whatsoever. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys what we can do with a DA. Alright guys, so I have this other corner of the panel and you can see right here, there's my line, kind of goes up, kind of looking at my ring light, you'll see that it's still on there. What we're going to use is we're going to use a 1200 grit on a vac sander and show you how easily it is just to remove this from a panel. Alright guys, I don't know if you could see it, but when I was sanding on it, you would see my line kind of starting to get hit and you could see where it would shadow it. And then it eventually disappeared, so I removed the product from the panel. I'm going to pull the camera off and get a little bit better close-up to kind of show you exactly if there's any type of marks or anything like that. Alright guys, so you can see a little bit of my line right there, and then it disappears into my panel. So it is gone completely. No ifs, ands, or buts. This product is removable with an abrasive. So I don't care what anybody tells you, you can remove it. Alright guys, there you have it. I showed you how to remove a ceramic coating with something as simple as a heavy cutting compound and a wool pad and a 1200 grit sandpaper. So don't let anybody tell you that it can't be removed, because it can with just an abrasive. It's a very basic product and it can be removed. Alright guys, if you liked what you saw, please like, subscribe, share, and comment, and tell me what you guys want to see on my channel, and I'm going to try to put my hands on it. But until then, thanks for watching.